Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to send crypto from crypto.com to Tangem wallet. So here's a simple step-by-step guide on how you can easily send crypto from crypto.com to Tangem. So the first step is to open the Tangem app, then launch the app on your phone, then tap the receive button, then choose the cryptocurrency you want to receive, for example Bitcoin, Ethereum or USDT, then copy your Tangem wallet address or scan the provided QR code. Then the step 2 is to open the crypto.com app, then launch the app on your phone, log into your account using your account credentials. Then from there you have to tap the account app, then select your crypto wallet. So choose the crypto you want to send. Then the step 3, you have to enter the transfer details. So tap transfer, then select the withdraw external wallet, then paste your Tangem wallet address or scan the QR code from the Tangem. Then double check that the network matches the crypto type, for example ERC20 and BIP20. So make sure the both match, the one on Tangem and the one on crypto.com. Then enter the amount you want to send to, then confirm and send. So review all the details carefully, the address, the network and the amount. Tap withdraw to confirm the trade, the transfer. You can also complete the NA2FA verification if prompted. Then go back to your Tangem wallet. So wait a few minutes for the blockchain to process your transaction, and open the Tangem app again to verify the crypto has arrived. And that's how you can easily send crypto from crypto.com to Tangem wallet. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more guides.